A very common occurrence when putting on a suspension system is that the steering wheel gets clocked or it's off. It's not straight like it should normally be, which can affect turn signals, things of that nature. So we are now going to correct that issue, and I'll show you how we do it. The Jeep is in the shop, still sitting on the ground, and verified that the wheels are still straight. So we just put a 3.5-inch lift from TerraFlex on, put this new track bar on. This is a tie rod, this is a drag link. That steering wheel is clocked, so what I'm going to do, I just need to loosen this clamp up, and then what I'm going to do is turn this. And what that'll do, by allowing this to spin, it is going to push the pitman arm one direction or the other, and I'm going to take it the shortest distance to straighten that steering wheel on this Jeep. So that's how I'm going to go about it. But again, just to identify things you'll hear in conversation. If you're not familiar with them, this is a tie rod, drag link, and the track bar. And since the suspension was just changed and raised it up, it changed the geometrics a little bit. So I'm going to grab what I need to loosen this, and then we're going to spin that. And I do have my wife in the Jeep so she can tell me the steering wheel is getting closer, it's going further away. So that definitely helps too, having somebody inside the vehicle. Since I just put the lift on, I haven't installed this front skid plate, so this does give me more room to move and see. So as stated, I'm going to start by loosening this clamp up. It is a 15mm nut on a stud. So sorry about the wiggling around here. All right, that should be good and loose. And then this right here is what I'm going to turn. So I'm going to do my best to try and hold the phone still while I throw the channel locks on this and turn it. And again, this is moving the pitman arm. How's that?
1:30. Keep going.
1:30. How did we go from 1 o'clock to 1:30? So as you can see, the wheels are still straight. And the assistant hiding in here. And the steering wheel is back to where it should be.